Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's Truckers Only video.
A lot of water. I gave her one drink. I don't know what else to...
No. It's fine.
Anything about her.
Okay.
Damn it! Woo! That was scary, bud.
So later, I'm at the and it's your turn, let's go.
Join Mark Patrick's hypnosis Friday, February 23rd at Holiday Inn in Keystone. Weight loss seminar 5:30 p.m. with registration at 5. Stop smoking seminar 8 p.m. Your team isn't playing in the big game. You still have a walk.
KISM review, the ultimate you'll need to host your own watch party, including a $5,000 shopping spree. Register now at KISM.com.
Plus, you'll have a chance to win a $100 gift card from Culligan Water Conditioning of Bellingham.
It did that thing where it decided I wasn't braking hard enough, so it decided to brake. And because of that, I end up with a double event. I get one CER saying that, oh, I had to brake because you weren't braking hard enough. And then I get the second CER that says, oh, you braked too hard because your braking and my braking together was too much. And now we got people freaking out, forward collision warning and hard brake at the same time, triggered with Netrodyne.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.